So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can get the QR code of your Instagram profile so that you can share it with anyone and anyone can scan it to get to your profile on Instagram. So all you need to do is just simply open the Instagram application on your smartphone and go to your profile. So all you need to So all you need to do is just simply open the Instagram application on your smartphone and go to your profile option, and on the top right corner you're gonna find these three lines. Just simply tap it over here. Now here only you're gonna find this option of QR code. You can see it just right there. Just simply tap it over there, and when you tap it over there, here you're gonna see this is the my Instagram ID QR code. You can just simply copy the link for the Instagram ID as well from here, or you can just simply take the screenshot of this particular QR code and share it with someone, so that if they scan it, they can directly get to your profile. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.